Do you really need to pay a plumber to change out a water heater? Is that something maybe you think you could do? Well, I'm going to show you how I do it and show you all the little tricks to do with it. And maybe if you learn how to do it, you can save it because it's $1,000 to get a water heater replaced, sometimes even more. $500 water heater and then $500 to install. It's a bit ridiculous when you can do it for about 550 bucks. So watch this video and check it out. Like and subscribe if you like this content. There'll always be more. Thank you. Well, I'm back at it again. This time, got a water heater at the wife's salon. This is what it looks like right here. It's a A.O. Smith water heater, and it is leaking. It's leaking everywhere. You can't even see it on the film, but I promise you, it's leaking. It's even coming out of here and draining down the side of the water heater. You can see a solid stream right here. Let me see if I can't get that a little closer. So that's where our leak is. So we're about to change this thing out. A lot of these things go bad because the fact that this right here is a sacrificial rod. It goes down in here. And they go bad. And you can see the last time I changed this out was February 9th, 2021. So let's change it out. We're going to also change out all these, put new ones on because I don't know how old these are, but we're going to go ahead and change them and put new ones in. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is get all this stuff out of the way. So I got the pipes off here, and look at how rusty this is on the inside here. So, but the threads look good, and I bought new hoses. So these are new. I didn't want to change them out. These old ones here are like this, and they look pretty bad, you know, especially this end right here. That looks pretty bad, so I went ahead and changed these out. They're not very much, but I got the plate taken off, electrical power's turned off, and this is the blow-off valve drain right here. So got all of that ready, and we're gonna get this hooked up as soon as it gets through draining. We've got it draining right now, so it's gonna take a little bit, and then we'll be done. Well, I got the new one wired in, and I got tape on these right here. You know, even though my fittings have, you know, rubber gaskets, I want to go ahead and put tape on them anyway, just to give them a little extra protection, you know, from leakage. And I'm putting the new pipes on there next. But remember, after you hook this up right here, make sure that you fill this water tank slam full of water before you turn your power on. If you don't, you'll burn these elements up. And this one has 2 elements in it. So fill your water heater up, run the water in the sink first. And that way you make sure that you're not burning up your elements. You need to make sure water's going through and the tank is full before you even turn it on. So don't turn your power on until you do that. All right, I got the water on now, and you can probably hear it. It's flowing through the pipes, and it's barely trickling out here at the sink. And this is to be expected. But we're going to get it all turned on, let it go, and then check everything for leaks. But should be good right here. And then once we get a full tank, we'll cut the power back on. All right, I got everything back together. It's back in this little corner. I'm checking everything, no leaks. Everything is dry, which is good. So let's turn the power back on. Here's the breaker right here. This one on. All right. Let it warm up now. We'll come back and check it. Well, it's been about an hour now. Let's check it to see if we got any hot water. Oh yeah, nice and hot. Good deal. Well, thank you guys for watching me install this hot water heater. I guess it's not a hot water heater, it's a water heater. It ain't hot water that you're heating, so it's a water heater. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments. I'll be glad to answer any questions I know. If I know it, I'll answer it. If I don't know it, I'll try to lead you in the right place to get it. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you.